Hello, this is Rebecca with Digital Thinker. A lot of Hexagon EAM customers I have worked with utilize PM schedules to manage preventive maintenance activities. These tasks, such as replacing filters and belts or lubricating parts, are based on time and/or usage. But often, the PM schedule type is overlooked. In this video, I will review the three PM schedule types: fixed, variable, and duplicate. On the PM schedule record view screen, there is a type field. It is important to note that the value defined here is the default type used when equipment is associated with the PM schedule. But each equipment record can have a different PM schedule type. So let's navigate to the Equipment tab to review an example of each type. The first example I would like to discuss is fixed. Fixed is used if the system should release a PM based on a fixed schedule. The schedule is based on a date and/or meter reading in which the last PM was due to be released. For HVAC 01, the preventive maintenance is scheduled to be performed every 6 months. The PM work order is due to be released on August 1st. Considering the maintenance is performed semi-annually, the next PM work order will be due on February 1st. The fixed type does not allow for multiple PM schedule work orders to be open at the same time for a piece of equipment. So if the August 1st work order is still open on February 1st, the next work order will not generate until the previous work order has been completed. This is an example of a fixed PM type. Next, let's review variable PM schedules. Variable is useful if a preventive maintenance activity is due based on the date and/or meter reading in which the last PM work order was completed. So if we set up HVAC 02 and use the same perform every and due date as we did previously, the first PM work order will be due on August 1st. But the due date for the next PM work order will be 6 months after the August 1st work order is completed. So if the first work order is released on August 1st but is not completed until August 15th, then the second PM work order will not be due until February 15th. This is an example of the variable PM type. The final type is duplicate. Duplicate is available for time-based PM schedules and allows for multiple PM work orders to be open at the same time. So if the due date is set to August 1st, but the work order is still open come February 1st, when the next PM work order is due, the system will release the next work order. So multiple PM schedule work orders for the same piece of equipment can be open at one time if duplicate is utilized. Now I encourage you to review the PM schedule types selected for your equipment to support accurate planning and scheduling of preventive maintenance tasks. Also, there is a report you may find useful. From the Work menu, under Reports, then Scheduling, there is a PM Due Overview report. I encourage you to reference this report as you review your PM schedules. Thanks for viewing, and share in the comments below what you would like to see in a future video. Have a great day!